I'm excited to talk to you about a couple of new everyday carry knives that we've introduced this year. So this is the Rival 1 and the Rival 2, kind of a big brother, little brother knife set. So it's a lock back, so very functional. You can use it with one hand. It's lightweight, disappears in your pocket. Got a pocket clip that you can take off if you don't want to use it. 420HC steel, drop point blade, very functional, very classic, excellent bargain. We're proud of it.
The Buck Knives 112 Slim Select is a colorful everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This take on the 112 Ranger has recognizable features, but with an updated and modern look. The decreased weight, slim profile, and deep carry pocket clip makes this knife suitable for everyday carry. Measuring 3 inches, the 420HC stainless steel clip point blade has a tumbled finish, an easy one-handed opening thumb stud, and locks back for safety. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 112 Ranger have been replaced with a glass-filled nylon handle to assure the rigidity and quality you expect from Buck. It's available in 4 colors: black, blue, red, and chartreuse, and weighs only 2.5 ounces. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 112 Slim Select. Buck Knives is known for quality, American-made quality. Keeping up with this tradition is the 840 Sprint Select. Made with an ergonomically textured nylon handle and a 420HC stainless steel blade, this knife exudes a cool that you'll want to carry with you every day. Utilizing ball-bearing flipper technology, the action is fast and smooth as butter and locks securely with a liner lock. Added features like a contrasting color spacer and a removable deep carry pocket clip make this knife a true conversation starter. Just be careful not to loan it to a buddy, or you might not ever get it back. The 840 Sprint Select is available in 3 color combinations to suit your personal style: olive green with yellow spacer, gray with blue spacer, and black with a red spacer. At only 3.2 ounces, it's so light you might just forget that it's in your pocket. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select.
I'm Mark McLean with Buck Knives. I'm the design supervisor here, and one of the knives that we introduced this year at SHOT Show is the 863 Selkirk. This is a mid-sized knife that has great features and allows you to use it in rugged conditions. One of the key things of any knife of this size is that it has a 4 5/8 inch blade. The overall weight is 7.6 ounces. The blade is full tang construction all the way through. It features a solid guard up front and a pommel strike surface on the back to use as a hammer in light duty conditions. The blade is 420 high carbon, flat ground, and a drop point blade. It has jimping near the handle for good control. And then with any fixed blade knife, a key part of how that knife is used is how it's carried. So we've created a plastic molded sheath system that allows you to snap it into place. And along with this sheath, one of the added features is a striker whistle component that allows you to create a spark and also to signal in case of an emergency or to gather other people in your group together. So this works in combination with the knife to create sparks. So we've put a notch on the bottom of the blade instead of the back where you would put your thumb. And we don't necessarily want you using the edge of your blade because that would dull it for the uses that you need. So we've got this little notch that's sharp there, and it will spark and create the sparks you need to light your tinder and get a fire going. So with this sheath, we can put our striker and whistle back in and our knife back together. And so we've created it so that you can carry it in lots of different positions. Some people like carrying it high on their waist, some people like carrying it a little bit lower. And it's set up, this one is set up for vertical carry. So we've got a belt loop here. And we also incorporated another feature on this belt loop. People have different sized belts. And so to prevent the sheath from sliding up and down when you're pulling the blade out, we've got a spacer in here, and it can go in one of 3 positions. So if you have a very narrow belt, you can use it, or if you have a wide belt, you can take it out. This one is set up for horizontal carry. And so it's a matter of unmounting those components and rearranging them and putting them into the configuration that best suits you. I've even seen somebody take this and set it so that it works at an angle. So if you like to do things in a cross draw situation at a slight angle, it can be configured that way as well. So that's the 863 Selkirk from Buck Knives.
Is an intense, high-level knife designed for the most demanding situations. The knife features a unique locking mechanism developed by Grant and Gavin Hawk. The Strong Lock system is one of the strongest locking mechanisms on the market. Aided by a ball-bearing pivot system, the Marksman is quickly and easily deployed by sliding one finger along the lock strap. The Marksman's durable blade is laser cut from sheets of 154 cm steel. After various grinding operations, the blade undergoes Buck's heat treat process. Once the blade is etched with model number and date of manufacture, the Marksman is assembled with its anodized aluminum handle. The strap lock bar is adjusted by hand to ensure proper engagement of the Strong Lock system. Once all of the components are assembled, the knife is sharpened and inspected. The blade is 3.5 inches long out of 154 cm stainless steel. It's available in drop point or Tonto blade, stainless or black oxide stone washed finish. Ball bearing pivot system, 120 thousandths of an inch thick. Strong Lock locking system. Black anodized handles. Removable and reversible pocket clip. Discreet tip-up pocket carry. And made in the USA. To open the knife, hold it in your hand with your trigger finger positioned on the flipper. Draw the flipper back to you with a sweeping motion, causing the blade to revolve into the open position and engage the strap lock bar. To close your knife, use your thumb to put upwards pressure on the strap lock and release the blade to pivot into the handle. Hold the handle so your fingers are not in the path of the closing blade. Press the blade into the handle firmly to ensure engagement of the strap lock bar to hold the knife closed. We strive to maintain the quality and reliability promised with each of our knives while maintaining integrity through every step. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every Buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any Buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new Buck knife. 75 years ago, an American icon was shaped. A nation at war called for more than just a blade. Using surplus files and recycled airplane canopies, Hoyt Buck crafted history. Fueled by faith and determination, these knives ignited a family tradition. Al Buck refined the design. That knife stands as a testament to the quality and craftsmanship his father set forth. Join us as we celebrate the 119 Special. Once a vision, now a legacy. Buck Knives. Edge of a legend. In 1964, driven by a desire to deliver a truly functional folder, my grandfather, Al Buck, introduced the Model 110 Folding Hunter. This American icon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting Buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in 2 different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.